What's up YouTube? Genie here, back at it again and welcome back to the channel guys. So today we will be checking out NFT 11 and tingnan natin kung ano yung mga bago. Meron na silang demo may gameplay demo na sila. So lalaroin natin yan para makita ninyo ano yung itsura ng gameplay niyan. So kung hindi pa kayo familiar dito sa project na to guys, this is one of the projects na inaabang-abangan ko talaga. Sinusubay-subaybayan ko yan. And tingnan niyo yung channel ko guys. I did some other contents with them. And may AMA sessions din ako kasama yung mga marketing officers nila or yung community manager nila. So check that out. Also, go ahead and check out our new channel, The Cookerist. So cooking channels, I hope you would also be able to support that. So without further ado guys, let's get it on. Intro! Okay guys, so link to the landing page of NFT 11 is in the description of the video. Just go ahead and click on that para iwas phishing sites. NFT11.io sila. From here guys, pwede na nating checkin yung website. Pero kung gusto niyo mas comprehensive breakdown or yung review ng website nila, go ahead and check out the other contents. For this one, we will focus on what's new and kung paano yung pag-navigate dito sa website nila. So dito sa taas, top right, actually baka hindi nyo mapansin, and meron dyan, tingnan natin, baka naka-ano ko ayoko kasi no guys, naka-white, so toggle natin, i-off natin yan para pakita nyo yung tunay na kulay ng website. Ayan So ito, baka hindi nyo mapansin, okay? So itong ano na to, ay dito pala ako sa lipat tayo. Ayan guys. So dito sa right side, ayan, yung dalawang bars na yan, click nyo lang yan, and then click nyo yung NFT 11 dashboard. Ayan. So, pag pumunta kayo sa dashboard, pag hindi pa kayo nakaka-connect, i-connect nyo dito yung wallet ninyo. And then, tatanungin niya kayo kung anong gusto nyo na yung username and then ano yung email ninyo para ma-set up ninyo yung account nyo dito. Okay? But before that guys, tignan muna natin kung ano yung mga bago dun sa gimmick nila sa kanilang white paper. Okay, so tingnan natin tong white paper nila guys, and tingnan natin kung anong bago dito. So nakalagay kick off, select your lineup and watch their performance against other teams. Disclaimer, mechanics and features presented may change or be removed during the gameplay development. So ito guys, baka mamaya isipin ninyo ito yung mismo nakalagay sa baba. Screenshot above is for concept purposes only, does not represent the actual gameplay. So most likely mas maganda yung graphics na gagawin nila dyan kasi tingnan mo parang ito bilog-bilog lang. So watch your games simulate in real time and execute on the go strategies and tactics to change the course of the game to your favor. So trigger events, yan. Pinakita ko din yan dun sa previous content. So I will put that link in the description of the video guys para mas thorough yung research niyo. And I encourage you guys to do your own research. Check them out. Let us know. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this project. And ako, sabi ko nga sa inyo, I've already invested some money in this project. Kasi nga, I already did my own research and I feel that this project is really legitimate and has a good potential na kumbaga pag nag-bullish run yung crypto market, kasabay ito pag sa pag-angat. So, mabilis kasi yung development din nila. From the first time I checked this NFT 11 out, kumbaga parang ang dating is nasa initial stage pa lang sila. And then, parang within less than a month, meron ng bagong nilabas na feature. Lumabas na yung move cards, lumabas na yung kumbaga yung sa scouting, sa mga arena and seats na mga ganyan-ganyan. Those are all included na sa mga contents na ginawa ko. So check them out para mas makita ninyo yung potential nitong project na to. So NFT 11 is ultimately a football management game, and like traditional football manager games, it will still be a simulation based on a myriad of calculations which take an immense number of factors into account. So yan. Trigger events can be left for the AI to decide or decided by managers. During the simulation, managers will have the option to let the AI decide on the outcome of the match entirely. The outcome is randomized using the match engine, considering all players' stats and both team settings. So yun yung niya. So manager and move cards. And guys, ginawan din natin yan. Nandun din sa natin. So mas in-depth yung nandun. So check it out. Anyway, for this one, manager and move cards, these are moments where the match can be influenced by managers in real time as they make split-second decisions. As mentioned above or mentioned before, once time is up, time limit for selecting a move card, or if the manager is offline, deliberately choosing to skip a particular match, a selection will be made by the system based on the engine's algorithm and best calculated outcome for you. So yun yung gimmick niya. So ito yung move cards, guys. If you want to learn more about move cards, you just have to click on this one. It will take you directly sa gimmick niya, which is, ito na rin yun eh. Yan oh. So, NFT 11 cards can be equipped on your players to increase their stats and have advantages on certain contexts during a match. So, kumbaga, kung may players kayo, kung kunyari 11 kunyari guys, 11 players, meron kayong 3 move cards na po pwedeng ilagay per player. So yun, ganun ang gimmick niya, which you can use pagka merong may event or may trigger event. So yan yung ano niya, sinasabi niya. NFT 11 cards are an incredibly unique feature in NFT 11. It is one of the fundamental aspects of our gameplay that will set us apart from other football games as well as football manager games. So NFT 11 cards add another layer of strategy to the game. Managers must strategize the types of move cards that they will attach to specific players on their team. So, hindi ito guys click to earn, okay? Hindi ito yung basta-basta ang mga lumabas dati na parang click ka lang, mag-earn ka na ng something. Or pag kinlik mo, may chance na wala kang makuha or mag-fail. Or meron ding chance na may makuha ka na mas mataas or something like that. Hindi ito ganun, okay? So, merong strategy-based, kumbaga, strategy-based itong NFT 11, which is good kasi nga kung ikaw yung tipong mahusay sa strategize, kumbaga mas lalamang ka. May move cards ka pa which will increase your chances na maging successful yung mga moves mo. So yun yung kumbaga, ito yung yung gameplay niya mismo. Okay, so moving on, let's go ahead and check out the other aspects of NFT 11 na bago sa kanya. Tingnan natin yung dashboard, guys. Ayan. So makikita ninyo dito, before we head on to the play demo, guys, ayan, makikita naman sa taas, play demo. So hindi mo tayo pupunta dyan. Makikita ninyo dito, nakalagay, so 1,025 NFT 11, yun yung tokens ko na nakalagay sa MetaMask wallet ko. Okay? Tapos, pwede ka mag-buy dito. And then inventory, yan, pakita ko na rin sa inyo yung inventory. Ito yung yung player. Tingnan natin siya. Click natin. Ayan, makikita nyo yung mga stats niya. Okay, and then tingnan natin yung move cards. Ayan. So ito yung mga move cards ko. Magaganda yung mga nakuha ko. Actually guys, sinuwerte ako. Pinakita ko yan doon sa other content. So makikita na nyo yung pag-open ko mismo ng pack. Kung paano ko nakuha yung mga 2 stars na yan. Yan. Solid yan guys. Promise. Yan yung mga binabayaran dyan. Yan, no? Daming 2 stars. Meron din mga 1 stars. Meron din yung mga parang kumbaga normal cards lang tayo mga nakuha. So, anyway, swerte pa rin tayo kasi nakakuha tayo ng mga 2 stars dyan. So, may scouting, ganyan-ganyan. Check the other video for this one as well para sa mas in-depth na kumbaga yung guide kung paano nyo gigimikan to. Okay? So, malapit ko na ding gawin yung scouting na yan. Gusto kong gusto ko rin subukan mag-scout. Ayan o. So, baga, pag kinlik mo to, wala namang wala naman akong i-claim pa eh. Tingnan natin. Meron ba? Alam ko wala eh. Pero tignan lang natin guys ha. Baka, wala pala. Hindi pala nakakabit yung treasure natin guys. Anyway, gagawa natin ng Gagawa natin ng video sa mga susunod na araw. Okay? Kasi hindi nakakabit yung treasure ko sa computer ngayon. So, once magawan ko yan, hopefully, if you're new to my channel, anyway guys, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to click that like and click that subscribe. Click niyo yung bell para lagi kayong updated when I upload new videos, new opportunities, mga bagong mga projects like this one. This one is, you gotta check this out guys. Okay? So, tingnan muna natin ano pa mga pwede nating gimikan dito. Account settings. Ayan. So, makikita lang naman ninyo dyan yung mga gimmick na nilagay ko dyan. So, pag nag-setup kayo ng account, and then ilalagay ninyo yung username ninyo and then yung email na gusto ninyong i-incorporate dyan. So ito guys, kapag kinlik ninyo ang play demo, okay, make sure na, kasi minsan baka magulat kayo pag kinlik niyo yung play demo, nag-sign na kayo dun sa MetaMask ninyo and then walang lumalabas, walang nangyayari, di ba? Ang nangyayari kasi doon is naka-on yung pop-up blocker ninyo. Ito kasi pag kinlik mo, mag-open siya ng pop-up eh. Kailangan niya mag-open ng pop-up para lumabas yung game mismo. So make sure lang to enable or disable pala, disable your pop-up blocker. Nandito siya banda guys, ito papayito ko sa inyo kung saan nyo makikita yan. Dito banda, yan, makikita nyo yun pag kinlik nyo allow pop-ups para dun sa website na yan. Okay? So anyway, ito na yun sa ano ko, na kumbaga na-i-open na natin yan. Tingnan natin ito, ano pang gimmick. So yun, music and sound. So wag na, back lang natin yan. Penalty shootout, ito actually enjoy guys. Wala pang bayad to, aliw-aliw lang talaga. Ayan, so ito yung mga move cards guys, makikita ninyo. So ako yung penalty, ako yung kicker dito sa pagkakataong ito. Ayan, makikita naman ninyo, penalty sniper, moderately increases the chance of a penalty shot on target. Meron ding, wala, nag-run out tayo ng oras. So anyway, mamaya ulit mag-aan yan. Mag-i-enable. Dito natin papuntahin. And then space, pak, lakasan natin. Yes! Yes! 1-0. O, ayan. Swap naman tayo. Tayo naman yung defender. Ayan, makikita din yung intimidating gloves. Moderately increases the chances of the opponent missing a penalty shot on target. So, select natin yan. Yan. Click natin. And then, pipili ka. Dito sa 5 square boxes na yan, kung saan mo tingin, sisipain ni opponent yung bola. Dito natin, tingnan natin. Sana makuha niya. Ooh! 1-all. Sayang doon sa taas pala yan. Okay, penalty, sniper. Ito ang gamitin natin guys. +2. Yan, dito natin ano yan. And power. Ay, naku po. Nag-miss tayo. Okay. So ano man, depensa tayo. Penalty eater. Natin. Dito lang. Yan tayo. Hop. Patay. 2-1 na. Yari tayo dito guys. Di pa tayo ng ano yan. So na move use na to. Penalty sniper. Ito naman ang gamitin natin. Sipain natin sa gitna. Ayan. Full power! Yes! Yes! Okay, so depensa naman tayo. Lamang pa siya ng isa eh. Ayan. Ay, actually tabla na pero since nauna tayo. Oy! Pumasok pa din! Oh, man! Sayang na-block na natin yan Okay, anyway, dito natin. Sipain natin sa gitna ulit. Tapos full power tayo. Yes! 3-all. Ayan, wala na tayong move cards. So, skip lang natin yan. Mano-mano na ang gimmick natin. Saan ba? Dito natin. Blockin mo. Ay, naku po! Patay tayo dyan. Kanina nung sinubukan ko unang beses na nanalo ko eh. Natin. Power. Full power. Yes! Ito, panabla. Kailangan ma-block natin siya. Kung hindi, olats tayo guys. Olats. Dito. Let's go! Ay, naku po. Talo tayo. Ayan guys, try again. Total penalty scored, penalty save, final score. So yun yung gameplay niya guys. Yun yung isa sa mga gameplay niya. And nakikita naman dito, papakita ko sa inyo yung balik tayo So yan, penalty shootout, yung game demo na meron na. May stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. Malalaman natin yan sa mga susunod na hindi natin alam kung weeks or hindi naman siguro aabutin ng months yan. Hopefully, the sooner the better para magawan natin ang panibagong content. And malaman ninyo, guys, check this out. Nakakatuwa yung gameplay niya. And then, syempre, hindi nyo naman kailangan agad-agad na mag-invest. Do your own research pa rin. Pero kung ako ang tatanungin ninyo, again, ako invested na ako dito. And hindi ko naman ipupush sa inyo to na mag-invest agad kayo ng ganun-ganun lang. pwede kayo mag-invest pero always do your own research. Kung ano yung nakikita or napanood ninyo dito guys, I wanted to let you know kung ano yung tingin ko dito sa project na to. And so far, so good. Sana mas sooner na lumabas yung actual gameplay mismo para play to earn na talaga tayo. Right? So, again guys, bago tayo mag-end, no, I hope you would also check out the Cook Wrist. It will be in the description of the video as well. That's our new cooking channel. So kung mahilig kayo magluto or kung hindi man kayo mahilig magluto pero gusto niyo nakikita yung mga masasarap na ulam, go ahead and check that out. Hopefully, you would support that channel as well. Okay? So until next time, I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace!